Hi friends, is it possible to cut down the electricity supply in your home for the non-payment of bill? What if I do not pay the bill which has come under my name and I'm not able to pay the bill or I disagree with the bill? Can the company which is providing me electricity supply come to my home and cut down the supply? What is the provision? In India, we have got Indian Electricity Act 2003. It has been amended for various times, but it is in force today also in all states across India. Under Section 56 of Electricity Act, if the electricity supplier or the company which is providing you electricity supply comes to your home for the non-payment of bill, then obviously they have got right to disconnect the electricity supply. But under Section 56 of Electricity Act, they have to issue you 15 days prior notice before cutting down the supply. If they don't issue a prior notice of 15 days to cut down the supply, they cannot disconnect the electricity supply from your home. Now, how to calculate the 15 days? Whether those 15 days shall be calculated from the date on which the notice was sent or from the date on which the notice was received by me or by the customer. The 15 days period has to be calculated from the day on which you received the notice from the electricity supply board, that is MSEB, or in your case it may be any. After the ending of 15 days, the workers of the electricity supply company, they may come to your home and they may cut down the electricity supply. Suppose if you want to pay the bill but you disagree with the bill, you feel that the bill is excessive and I don't want to pay the bill, but you have to pay the bill under protest. You can say that I will pay the bill under protest, but I disagree with the bill. So after say 15 days, you may deposit the bill, but mere depositing the bill does not mean that you agree to the bill. You may, at that time, you have to write a letter on a plain paper under your name and give it to the people who have come to your home to disconnect the supply. You can write in the paper that I am going to pay the bill under protest. I disagree with the bill, but I am going to pay and I am going to demand justice in future regarding this illegal or excessive bill. You can say like that. You can write it on a simple paper and you can give that paper complaint or application to the people who have come to disconnect the supply. Under no circumstances the supply can be disconnected without 15 days prior notice. Now what will happen once the bill is paid? You disagree with the bill, but you still have paid the bill. At that time you can do two things. You can approach Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission, and they have set up grievance redressal forums, consumer grievance redressal forums. You can approach those forums and you can register your complaint and you can get justice from the people, the officers who are sitting there, who this grievance redressal commission has been established. Forum has been established under the provisions of Electricity Act and under Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission. You can knock the doors of their offices. Second, you can always go to the Consumers Court and get the justice. You can say that I have been charged excessively and I disagree with the bill, and you can justify your position. So this is the provision regarding the supply disconnection of power in your home. Nobody can disconnect the supply immediately for the non-payment of bill. They have to issue 15 days prior notice and then only they can proceed further. If you have consumed electricity and if the bill is proper, then you have to pay it. But if you feel that the bill is excessive, then at that time you can demand justice by going to the forum or to the consumer courts. Thank you so much.